Alright, how to check the UK, United Kingdom, national debt.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
First website is this one right here. You can see the national debt is 2.79 trillion, and you have charts over here. Pretty simplified website, but this is, I guess, worth checking out. As you can see here, it dates back to 1692. Wow. The next website is basically this website over here. It's called ons.gov.uk, and this is actually an article slash website. It's kind of more in depth, but you can see here where the UK ranks in terms of all other countries of the EU or states. And then the third website is macrotrends.net. I like this because I'm familiar with it, but it goes back till 1960, and as you can see, there's also a chart dating back to 1960, steady uptrend. And if you scroll down, you have the individual year from currently dating back all the way to the 1960s, as you can see. And the third and last website is usdebtclock.org, because if you can see, the UK is ranked number 5, I believe, and it has $3.8 trillion in national debt completely for free.